Now first I'm going to show you all how I make my sweet tamarind chutney recipe. Now here I've taken a bowl of maybe 2 cups of hot water. To that I've added about 1 cup of seedless dates or khajur, about a lime-sized ball of tamarind or chinsa, and about 1 cup of gur or jaggery, and I've kept it aside for 5 to 6 hours. Then I've strained all the liquid, and with a spoon I've mashed up all the pulp to get out, the maximum uh, uh, of the pulp of the tamarind and uh, the dates. And then I'm going to transfer this to a pan. I'm going to add about 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, and 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, some salt to taste, and I'm going to stir all of this and bring this to a gentle boil for 10 to 15 minutes till it becomes nice and thick. So you can prepare these chutneys a day before, so that lessens your work on the day you want to make the pani puri. So after this thickens, we're just going to transfer it to a bowl and keep it in the refrigerator. Now for the chutney, which is the spicy green chutney. This is also very easy, friends. So to my mixer pot, I've added about 5 light green chilies, the less spicy ones, about 2 cloves of garlic, 1 inch of ginger. I've ground it to a paste, and then I've added about 1 cup of fresh coriander and squeezed the juice of half a lime, and I also added some salt to taste, and I've just ground this with a little bit of water, maybe about quarter cup of water, and I got this green chutney. Now let's see how to prepare the filling as well as the pani puri water. Now I have some sprouted moong. I just pressure cooked it in my pan and for about 1 whistle on high and about 5 minutes on a simmer. And then I've strained out all the water. Now I'll leave instructions of how I've sprouted my moong in the description box below. Here I've taken 1 large mashed potato. I've added my boiled sprouted moong, for which all the water has been drained out. We're going to mix all of this very well together. We're going to add some salt to taste, and that is our filling. Now for the pani puri water. Here I've taken about 1 liter of very chilled water. I've added ready-made pani puri masala. You can use any brand. Mix that pani puri masala according to your taste as to how much you would like. Then I'm going to add my green chutney to taste and my sweet chutney to taste. So add a little at a time and see how you would like it. You can also add some salt. And now all we have to do is just assemble everything together and enjoy this chilled pani puri. So I have my water ready, my stuffing ready, my extra sweet chutney ready, and my pani puri puris. So the puri looks like this. One side is hard and one side is soft. So the softer side, you just knock it off with your finger like this and make a small hole. Then you just put your filling in. You can add some extra sweet chutney if you like, or you can just directly go for the water if you're satisfied with the taste of the water. But I always like the little extra sweetness of the sweet tamarind chutney. And then just take a bowl. Just pour the water into it. You can directly dip it also in, but I find that the spoon is much more, less messier rather. And that's all, friends. And then just, wallop it out, you put it into your mouth and just enjoy this amazing pani puri. So if you don't want the chilled version, you can just have it with regular water. But believe me, the chilled pani puri tastes amazing. Now you can also add some bundi to the pani puri water. I didn't have any bundi, but otherwise it also adds a nice crunch. So that's it, friends, the pani puri recipe. I hope you like it. As well as today's video, and if you would like to see more videos like this, then don't forget to leave this video a big thumbs up. Also by clicking the thumbs up icon. Also don't forget to subscribe to my channel and become a part of Akshata's recipes. Once you have subscribed, there is a small little bell icon that will pop up, so just click on that. That way whenever I put up a new recipe or a new video, you'll get a message for the same. So on that note, I'll say bye and I'll catch you in my next video sooner than you think. This is Akshita saying bye. Take care, stay healthy, stay fit, be kind and loving to one another. So till we meet again, bye.